guys. Here to do a quick bike check. I'm running the Snafu 8.6 bars. Cut them down like 1.25 inches because they were super long. 8 long bars. You got the Snafu VST stem. It's the big one, not the short little vagina boob one. Then I'm running the premium Gutter Shark frame. The lightest frame I've ever ran. Strongest too. Snafu Mayweather cranks with the Snafu pickles and Animal Butcher pegs. And then I got my Odyssey quadrant rims laced up to my Colony hubs. Real nice, spin good. Yeah. Got my Odyssey My Cake and tire. Premium slim pedals. And then I got my Hoffman Dinky sprocket with the mechanic hollow half track for it, or chain, you know. And I got my premium fat seat, my premium seat post. Pretty nice. It's not like a dildo going straight up your ass.
Like it.
And then you got
Pretty nice.
Snafu Sturley tire, real nice, grippy, haven't slipped out. Odyssey quadrant rims in the back, and then Colony hub. Clicks good, loud, love it. Another Animal Butcher peg. And then I got a Mutiny bottom bracket, BSD headset, Hoffman Bikes mushroom grips, and the Snafu Royal bar ends. And stay golden, pony boy.